You can do the same as everybody else. Or maybe it's time to get your brand visible daily with eco-friendly branded drinkware from Bounce Creative Designs. We have products to suit your brand with custom branding options and easy online ordering. Have a look at these amazing thermomugs for the chilly winter season. Your brand could be seen everywhere, and you can even laser engrave your clients' names to really personalize your gifting. Our thermomugs are dishwasher-safe, BPA-free, anti-fingerprint, and come in a variety of colors to suit your brand. We even have stainless steel mugs that are ceramic lined, so your favorite drink tastes how it should. Our thermo drinking bottles can keep your drink hot for 15 hours or cold for 48 hours. Now that's amazing! With double-walled copper insulation and ceramic lining, you can even keep carbonated drinks with you in our leak-proof thermo drinking bottles. Now you ask, what about food items? We've got that also. The generously sized lunchpot can keep food warm for 7 hours or cool for up to 24 hours. You're thinking that you want something that's a conversation starter. We've got you, because the drinking bottle has evolved. Check out our range of handmade thermoglass bottles. The high-quality heat-resistant glass is handcrafted and mouth-blown. They truly are a work of art and a sight to behold. Now imagine the conversation started with your brand visible on these thermoglass bottles. With Bounce Creative Designs, you're not just buying a product, but partnering with our eco-friendly vision for a better environment for everyone. With live stock levels and pricing, easy artwork approval and convenient payment options, your order will be on its way to you in no time. With our bespoke website ordering system, Bounce Creative Designs. Professional, affordable, eco-friendly.